The dollar index is below 102.3. You're wrong on the dollar. You're wrong. You're wrong. You think I have a position on the dollar index? You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Anybody who studies the dollar index as a macro point would be doing so with one objective only: to be able to determine what is going to be the trend in commodities, commodity prices, emerging markets, and so on, or emerging market bonds. And if that is not your thesis and you're looking at the dollar index to trade the dollar, don't listen to me. Because the way I've been looking at the dollar, all through 2021, I thought the dollar index will go down. Yes, but I was long commodities. I was long Nifty Metal Index and all the Nifty Metal Index components. So the long trade was absolutely right. So my view on the dollar index was based on what was working. So if something was working, if commodity prices like copper made a new all-time high or at least a 52-week high in April 2022, same with the Nifty Metal Index, that was the right place to be. And where am I now? Of course I'm bullish on the dollar index. Why? Because I'm bearish commodities. I think commodity prices are falling. Copper is down. Nifty Metal Index peaked in April since we wrote about it in the third week. And so that is the real thing that you need to be watching out for. Whether I'm right on the dollar, wrong on the dollar is completely based on what are the trends in these underlying markets. You can't just take a standalone view on the dollar unless you are trading the dollar index. I don't trade dollar index futures. And if that's your goal, that's not what I'm doing. If I have to trade the dollar, I will buy USD INR. And the USD INR is starting to go up because the RBI has pushed the pedal back by raising interest rates. Get that.